Good morning, students. We completed our chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure? Today we are going to start a new chapter Atoms and Molecules. Before starting this chapter, we want to familiar with some elements. It's very important. The elements from periodic table. We want to know the elements, symbols and atomic number, mass numbers, etc. So, let's familiar with some elements. Let's start.
Today, we are going to start our new chapter. Our chapter name, Atoms and Molecules. Before starting this chapter, we are going to familiar with some elements from our periodic table. What is this? This is the periodic table of elements. There are 118 elements in this periodic table. We want to familiar with some important elements. Let's start. We are going to discuss the elements, their atomic number, mass number and atomic mass, symbols, etc. The first element is hydrogen. We know that hydrogen is a non-metal and its atomic number 1. Its symbol H. Its atomic mass 1.008 and mass number 1. It's very important to study the all information about hydrogen. The second one, helium. Atomic number 2, symbol He. Its atomic mass 4.0026 and its mass number 4. Third, lithium. Its atomic number 3. Its symbol Li. Atomic mass 6.94. Mass number 7. Beryllium. Its atomic number 4. Symbol Be. Atomic mass 9.0122 and its mass number 9. Next one, boron. Atomic number 5, B. Atomic mass 10.81 and mass number 11. Next, carbon. Carbon is very important. Its atomic number 6, symbol C. Atomic mass 12.011, mass number 12 and its atomic mass and mass number are very important. The next element is nitrogen. Nitrogen is the very important element and its atomic number 7, symbol N. Atomic mass 14.007, mass number 14. The next one, oxygen. We use oxygen for breathing and its atomic number 8, symbol O. Atomic mass 15.999, mass number 16. The next one, fluorine. Its atomic number 9, symbol F. Its atomic mass 18.99, mass number 19. Sodium. Sodium is very important. It's very highly reactive and its atomic number 11. Symbol Na. The symbol is different. You should study this. All of you study this. Na. And atomic mass 22.9898. Mass number 23. The next one, magnesium. It also very important. Atomic number 12. Symbol Mg. Atomic mass 24.305. And mass number 24. The next element, aluminium. Aluminium is a metal and it's very important. Its atomic number 13. And symbol Al. Atomic mass 26.9815. And mass number 27. The next one, silicon. 14. Atomic number 14. Its symbol Si. Atomic mass 28.085. Mass number 28. The next element, phosphorus. And its atomic number 15. Symbol P. Atomic mass 30.9738. And mass number 31. The next element, sulfur. And atomic number 16. Symbol S. Atomic mass 32.06 and mass number 32. The next one, chlorine. Atomic number 17. Symbol Cl. Atomic mass 35.45. Mass number 35. The next one, argon. 18. Atomic number is 18. Symbol Ar. Atomic mass 39.95. Mass number 40. The next one, potassium. Its atomic number 19. Symbol K. There is a different symbol for potassium, K. Atomic mass 39.0983. Mass number 39. The next one, calcium. Its atomic number 20. And symbol Ca. Atomic mass 40.078. Mass number 40. The next one, zinc. Zinc is very important and its atomic number 30. The symbol is Zn. 65.38 and mass number 65. The next one, silver. Silver is an important element. Its atomic number 47. Symbol Ag. The symbol of silver is very important. Atomic mass 105.868. Mass number 108. The next one, iodine. Its atomic number 53. Symbol I. And atomic mass 126. Mass number 127. The last one, gold. Gold is very important. The symbol is Au. Atomic number 79. Atomic mass 196 and mass number 197. So, all should study the elements, its atomic number and symbols. It's very important for the chapter.
Through the video, be familiar with some elements. You should study the elements, their symbols, atomic number, mass number, etc. It's very important. So all should study it. Thank you.